Hey guys, in today's driving lesson video, we are doing the reverse parallel park. It's about time, isn't it, Phoebe? Yeah. So we've nearly covered everything else. We've got this maneuver and we've got the forward bay parking maneuver, and then like following the sat nav and that, and then it's time for you to take over, okay? Right, so Phoebe's been using the ultimate driving course. The whole point of the course is that it saves me time explaining everything, and before the learner gets in the car, before Phoebe gets in the car, she already knows what to do and how to do it, And also, guys, for those of you who are learning to drive, download it, because I've unlocked the first 10 videos and there's a lot of free theory content on there as well, Right then, Phoebe, so by watching the videos, what did you learn? So just talk me through what you have to do.
So you'll find a car where you want to park. You'll pull up to it, leave about a metre, and then you'll reverse so you can towards the back of the car, so you can just see a little tiny bit just before it disappears in your back.
Okay,
window. And then once you've got that position, you'll quickly steer one to the left. Good. And then that'll get you away from, so you start pulling into your space. And then you'll reverse until you can see the tiniest little fraction of the road just before the curb, and then you'll steer 2 times to the right. And you'll go back until the back door handle drops off the curb. And you move the steering wheel once to the left, and then you'll keep reversing so you can see.
Good. That's proof that you've watched the video.
That was the longest explanation, but
that's proof that you watched the video. So what Phoebe's explaining there are the reference points. You don't have to use reference points, guys. If you feel comfortable that you can park fairly close to the curb, that's fine. You don't have to use any reference points. But if you're learning to drive, in my experience, most learners do, but again, if you do feel that you don't need them, you can give it a try, without them. So what Phoebe explained was the reference points, and as you explained, Phoebe, we did one turn to the left. How much turns to the right do we do when you see that second reference point?
2. And
then
you do 1 back against the left.
I call this the 1-2-1 technique. This is a technique that I like. There are I won't say lots, there's probably about 4 techniques that can be used. So if you're learning to drive and you think, my instructor's using a different one, that's fine, as long as it makes sense and you're finding it easy. Otherwise you can switch to this one, Right then, Veep, so we're going to try the maneuver, first time we do it, is it okay if I just help you out a bit? What I would always recommend is, when you're first starting this maneuver, we did it with the other maneuver as well, when I say don't worry about the observations. I'll take responsibility for the observations, obviously observations are massively important, okay, but I just feel like without the observations, it's a lot easier to get the hang of the reference points and how to do it. Let's do that first, and then we'll add the reference points in, And with the reference points, do you want me to give you a few prompts, just reminders to start off with?
I think a bit more the speed of how slow I need to go.
Okay,
when you turn.
Okay. Let me just help you out with it the first time. Observations. I'll talk you through where you should be looking, But then when you want to give it a go yourself, you do want to do it without the observations. That's fine, okay? Because this time I'm going to help you out with it anyway. I'll talk you through where you should be looking, Okay, right. Hopefully you're used to the new car. Still getting used to it.
Alright.
So moving off all your observations as normal. What's your final check? Good.
Again.
Okay, clutch down. That's to keep the steering there. Steer more to the left, steer more. Stop. That's it. You don't want to go too far forward, Select reverse gear. We've got to be quick with our reverse gear, selecting it. We don't have to rush back now, Why is it important to get reverse gear as soon as you stop, do you know?
So if they're behind, they can see that you've...
That's it,
what you're intending to do.
Exactly. So let's see what this vehicle is doing. Will they get past? Right, so if you look all around, is it safe? So we're going to start reversing. Remember what the first reference point you told me was?
The back of the...
So tell me when you get to the first reference point, the back of that car, just about to disappear.
There.
Good. And how much turn do we say here?
1.
Yeah. So make sure you move this car really slow, just like you did there, yeah. Okay. Keep the speed slow. That's it. Good. Stay up. 1 full turn. There. That's it. Good. And now, stop the car here a second. Your car's going to swing out now. Just check the blind spot. Make sure it's safe. No one's there. There's a vehicle behind, but they've stopped now. So carry on. Keep going. Carry on. Now here now, what's happening to the road?
It's disappearing. Well, it's still there, but it's slowly
getting less, yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Tell me when there's a tiny fraction left. Just like I showed you in the videos. When you get to that point, I want you to stop.
About there.
Yeah? Okay?
Yeah.
So now, as you move the car, steer quickly to the right, 2 turns. So keep it slow. Steering fast, but speed slow. Keep reversing. Carry on. Carry on now. Carry on. Another look around, make sure it's safe. Keep it slow. Keep it slow. Stop the car. See, you went to look around.
Yeah, and then just start going back.
Okay. Right. So, what do you think of the gap there now?
We're a bit close to the curb.
Good judgment. Well done. We are quite close now. Yeah. So what you want to do? Yeah. If you end up this close, yeah. You know, we've still got a bit of turn remaining to the right. Steer all the way to the right now. So that's what we call full lock. That's it. Good. And that'll bring us away from the curb a little. Okay, stop there a second. What was that final reference point?
The bit where the back handle's off the pavement.
Good. So tell me just when it's about to come off.
No.
Stop. Yeah. So if you straighten up your wheel now.
Yeah.
Move the car and 1 more turn to the left. Quick turn. Good. And continue reversing. And stop here. That's it. You don't need to come any more further back than this, yeah? Is that enough space to move off?
Yeah.
Yeah. You don't want to stop too close either. Yeah. So we ended up a bit close here, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you know that second reference point, yeah? That's the most important reference point out of all of them, I'd say, yeah, because that determines how close you are or how far you end up from the curb, yeah?
Yeah.
So, describe with your fingers, how much road could you see? Was it this much or?
Like a tiny little bit.
Okay. Right. Because your steering wasn't too bad. Let's try one more time, and if you're ending up a bit too close, again, yeah, we can change the reference point a bit. Yeah, what we can do is we can leave a little bit more road. Yeah, so we end up further away.
You know, because as soon as I looked, I went a bit faster. I'm just worried that now, when I actually have to do the observations, I won't be able to.
Just tap the brake in between them.
To do it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, there's no rule saying you have to do everything on the move quickly. You can stop. It makes it a lot easier. Okay? Right, so this time now, you know with your observations, so before you start reversing, you know where to look.
Yeah.
Yeah? And then while you're reversing, you've got to be checking everywhere. You know, if someone's walking on this pavement, yeah, okay, and we're going towards a pavement, what do you think you should do?
Stop the car.
Yeah, we need to stop for them, yeah. Okay. Anyone on that side doesn't really affect us unless they're about to cross the road. Okay. Any cars coming?
No.
Like we saw,
wait, there's
like,
one.
Yeah, earlier we saw the yellow car.
Yeah.
They could get through, yeah, because we were in our starting position. But when we got to that position where we were swinging out, nobody could get through anyway. Yeah, so you still need to make sure they're slowing down for us, which, like I said, they didn't have any choice anyway, yeah, but once they've slowed down for us, then just continue, yeah, okay? Yeah. But don't feel you have to rush. Right, so let's try it again.
There's one car, but I think they're indicating.
What, the learner car?
Yeah.
Yeah, carry on. Clutch down. That's it, keep it slow. Steer a bit more to the right for now. Keep it there. Now quickly steer to the left, steer more. That's it, keep it there. No, keep it to the left.
Oh.
Now straighten up. Good, so your car's nice and straight. Stop. And which gear?
Well, I keep doing this. Every time I go to...
That's it.
There we go.
And where are you going to look before you reverse?
No.
Good.
Do you have to look? Yeah, you have to look that way.
Yeah.
Right.
So you can stop on your first reference point and then steer how much you need to.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you supposed to do all that in one? Or are you like supposed to stop, then do the steering?
For now, just stop every time, please. Stop in your reference points, yeah. See, and then I want you to steer when you move.
Okay.
Yeah, just as you move. Because if you get into the habit of steering while you're stationary, yeah, long term it will damage your tyres. Check your right blind spot now for me. That's it. Check the back as well. And now focus on your reference point for me.
Okay.
This reference point, yeah, is the like I said, it's the most important one, yeah.
I think this is the most difficult one to judge.
Stop there now. Stop there. Stop there. How much road is there now?
There's still a bit.
Okay, sit normal. Don't lean up, yeah. Okay. Now have a look at it.
I feel like there's less. I feel there's more than what there was the first time I did it.
Can you remember that point for me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Please remember that point. Now, as you move, do your turns.
Okay. Oh.
I see. Carry on, because that car's on the other side, yeah, and we're coming in now. Are you there at the final reference point?
There, yeah.
Good. How much steering there?
Do you want to?
Yeah. Go on. Look at your steering. That's it. Good. That was good quick steering there. And when do you need to stop?
When you can see the tyres on the floor. Well, about here.
Yeah, perfect.
And then that one.
Excellent. That's a really good distance from the curb now, yeah. You don't have to be dead close, yeah, like that car in front. Yeah, you don't have to be really close. You can leave about that much space.
Yeah.
Okay. On your driving test, the examiner's going to be fine with that much space as well, yeah. Okay. See that second reference point this time, we didn't there wasn't, the first time we did it, you said there was just a tiny bit, yeah. So obviously in the video in the ultimate driving course, for me it was just a tiny little bit, yeah. Yours, this time round, how much road was there?
A bit more than what that was.
Describe it.
Like maybe that much.
Okay, can you remember that point for me?
Yeah.
If you keep it there every time, you're gonna end up like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna try? Can you reckon you could give it a go yourself?
Yeah.
The reason why I like you guys to stop at each reference point, it gives you that time to think, and you're allowed to do that as well. Yeah, rather than trying to do it quickly in one movement. Stop, think about your turns, have a look around as well, make sure it's safe.
Yeah.
Yeah? Don't rush it. Okay, it's all yours now, start to finish.
Do you want me to still check when I'm...
Yeah, I did say we'll take out the checks, but you know what? I think you're handling them fine. Yeah?
Okay.
The key is, you know when you do your first turn,
Yeah.
you know your second reference point, you've got a good, I'd say, 7 or 8 seconds before we get to that point.
Yeah.
Use the first few seconds of those to look over your blind spot and check the back as well.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Right, give it a go.
I think that learner car's done the same. Looks like it. Oh gosh. Still not used to that. Oh.
So how do you think our position is now?
Yeah, I'm this way.
Yeah, we're slightly angled. Like, you need to steer more to the left when you're about to finish up. Yeah, to straighten up. You guys, it's not going to make a massive difference though. Let's give it a go.
They're coming in a bit fast.
So stop there. Stop. You just said they're coming in a bit fast. So let's see what they're doing. If they can get past, let them get past. You didn't look too happy, did you?
No.
Okay, but before you race, where should you look?
That way.
Yeah, check all around.
But just cars coming out. Oh, there's another van coming out as well.
Okay, don't worry, carry on now because they've stopped. But don't feel you have to rush it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You feeling the pressure?
Nah.
Good.
A little bit. Not really. Right. And then... do you want to look?
Where should you look?
Oh. And then... oh. About there. Right. I'm just gonna... oh, hello. Moving forward. Oh. I don't want to hit there.
Stop there, stop there, stop there, stop. Okay, there's enough space for them to get past now, yeah? Okay. So what do you say to me now? You don't want to what?
I look like I'm a bit closer.
Good judgment. So you know when you sense that, yeah, you've got that judgment, yeah, which is brilliant, yeah. Okay, I'm not fussed if you're about to hit the cable. We got it wrong, yeah. You showed me that you've got the judgment. Yeah. So what could you do with your steering wheel?
Turn it.
Good. So do that for me. Do that as soon as you realise that you're getting too close.
Okay. And that wouldn't make a difference on there.
Well, if you'd done it a bit earlier, we're dead close and we're actually touching it. Straighten your wheel for me. One more turn. One more turn. That's it.
So if you realised earlier.
And that's fine. Stop there for me.
And then did it.
Yeah.
The instructor wouldn't take any care in that. It would just be you've realised.
Yeah, of course. Okay, secure the car for me. But again, you know that second reference point, yeah.
Because I started rolling forward again.
It was all over the place. Yeah. I think you got the reference point. The car went forward, then you just did it.
I just kind of went.
You can't do that. Yeah. Okay. Or rather, even if you roll forward a bit, doesn't matter. Yeah. What would have happened is you would end up a bit further away from the curb.
Okay.
Yeah. But the reference point I've given you, yeah. Even if you did the roll forward a bit and did it, it would have still been in a distance which is good enough.
Yeah.
But don't, or rather you do it finish too far than too close like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. One more time. So with the observations, which observation did I have to remind you of?
That one.
That blind spot one. That's one of the most important one. This one you've done in the bay park as well, yeah. Okay, maybe before your car swings out, you should be looking over that right blind spot. So let's imagine now, yeah, that it's your driving test. You've done everything fine. It's the end of your test, and the examiner said to you, you've got the reverse parallel parking maneuver. If you do this fine, you've passed your test. You ready?
Yeah.
It's all yours. Take your time. Stick to your reference points. Okay, and remember where to look. It's all yours.
What are they doing? Parking up. I want a bit. Right. I'm a bit further away from the curb this time, but at least I'm not on the curb.
Okay, good. Yeah, so use that last reference point. Well, yeah, we have the front of the car. We are slightly angled, but this would be a pass on your test, distance-wise. Yeah. You did mess up one thing though.
When I was gonna say I didn't look in the mirror. I thought as soon
not
as
the mirror.
The window, the
blind
back,
spot check.
yeah, that one.
The blind spot check.
As soon as I turned, I thought something's, and I realised, and I was like.
So observations, and when you first start reversing, make sure you look all around before you reverse. What you did, you start to reverse and look around. There was no danger there, but then that blind spot check, guys. If you missed that, that would be a serious fault for observations on your test. Yeah, like this distance. Look, we're not obviously. Ideally, you want to be a bit closer. Yeah, but if you leave this much distance, it's absolutely fine. Don't think I've got to get dead close. Okay?
Yeah.
You get that, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it really, yeah. We don't need to continue practicing this. We'll do it again before your test, yeah? Okay.
Yeah.
Obviously, for those of you that don't watch our lessons regularly, Phoebe's got her own car that you can go and practice this in as well, yeah? Any questions?
No.
Right guys, like always, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.